Today we are looking at the Veger 10,000 mAh power bank. Veger sent me this to review. They also sent me more power banks to review. Subscribe for them reviews. I will also leave links of Veger's social media accounts in the description down below. Make sure to give them a follow because they host giveaways regularly, and as the saying goes, you have to be in it to win it. Also, if you find the video helpful, leave a like. So before we look at the actual contents inside the box, let's have a look around the box. So as you can see on the front here, it says Veger 10,000 mAh power bank with a picture there. Nothing on the sides, that's the back. Now let's take a look inside the box. So this is everything what comes inside the box. We have a carry case for the power bank. We have the power bank itself. We have a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable here, and we have the Veger welcome guide. So let's have a look around the power bank. So on the front here, as you can see, we have a LED battery display. On the side we have the wake up button. On the top here we have a USB-C input and output port. We have a USB-A output port, and we have a micro USB input port. Let's talk about the power bank's port wattages. Starting with a micro USB input port, that is 10 watts. Next is the USB-C's output and input, which is the same, which is 15 watts. Finally, we have the USB-A output port, which is 15 watts as well. This power bank does come in two different colorways. I have the black one here, as you can see, but they also do have a white variant. It does take about 4.5 hours for this power bank to fully charge with a 15 watt charger and adapter. It can also charge an iPhone 12 2.2 times before the power bank needs recharging. So now I have two devices here. I have an iPhone and an iPad. I'm about to put them both on charge with the power bank. So here I have a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I will use for the iPad. Switch the thing on here, there we go. And now if I just plug that on charge, and there you go, as you can see that is charging. Now move that out of the way. If we get the USB-A to lightning cable and plug this in to the power bank, and then we can plug it into the iPhone, and as you can see, both devices are now charging. Personally, I really do like this power bank as it is nice and small and it charges my devices fast, which is perfect for me as I travel a lot and it doesn't take up too much space and it gets my devices charged quite quick. There you go, my friends, that was the Veger 10,000 mAh power bank. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.